Evidence of property. There are a few different types of evidence of property forms, but in this video, we're specifically speaking about the Acord 27 form. The Acord 27 form is commonly known as the evidence of property insurance. It's a single-page document that ensures your interest in any residential, commercial, or contents property that will be protected by an insurance company if anything should happen to it. Completing this correctly can save both time and money, so it's important to know how everything works. It's a crucial part of your property insurance claim and should not be completed without consulting an experienced professional. The different sections contain information that may seem confusing at first, but once you learn what they mean, it'll become clear how important this document really can be for verifying coverage details with your company's insurer. Let's take a moment to go over the various sections of the Acord 27 Evidence of Property Insurance. The first page of the Evidence of Property is where you will be required to provide an agency and insured information along with details about your carrier. For producers, this includes their name as well as an address for contact purposes. To facilitate learning, we will provide an EOP template in the description below. Just click the link and download the file to your computer. Or if you have a cell phone, you can scan the QR code right now. Please refer to the numbered section on the sample form as you will follow along with this breakdown. Number 1, this is the issue date. This is the date the insurance agency created the document. Easy. Number 2, the producer. It's the name of your insurance agency or broker that issued this certificate. Number 3, the producer's contact information, which is often listed in this section, so you can reach out to the agent if you have any questions or need to request revisions. Not all agents will work with third parties for revisions, so you may have to bring in the vendor or the person who actually purchased the insurance policy when requesting corrections. Number 4, the insured. The first name insured of the policy has important rights and obligations that include paying the premium, receiving notice of cancellation, adjusting claims, and making policy changes. In short, this is the person or company who purchased the insurance. 5, insurance carriers. This reflects the various carriers that are providing the insurance policies for the insured, listed in Section 4. Once you completed all the agency, insured, and carrier information, you will move on to the section for property information. Here you need to provide the address for the location, along with the description of the building or property. If you need to provide proof of coverage for something other than a building, make sure that it is described in great detail. For example, if the Acord 27 was being used as verification on machinery or equipment, specific information like year, make, model, serial number will all be necessary. In the coverage information section, you will need to include a description of the coverage provided and causes of loss. For example, special, broad, basic, as well as the corresponding form number. After that, you have the amount of insurance. The amount of insurance for the associated coverage. Deductible is the deductible for the associated coverage. And remarks is the additional comments or special conditions that may exist upon the policy. The last part is the additional interest section. In the name and address portion, you should list the company that you are doing business with and which has a financial interest in the property. Right next to the additional interest section, you will find some check boxes that indicate the additional interest type. For example, additional insured checkbox indicates the additional interest type is an additional insured. Lender's loss payable indicates the additional interest type is a lender's loss payable. Loss payee indicates that the additional interest type is a loss payee. Mortgagee indicates the additional interest type is a mortgagee. Other indicates that the interest is listed other than those already mentioned. The loan number indicates the account number or other controlling number that the additional interest may have assigned the insured. Lastly, we have the signature space. A name must be in this box in order for the certificate to be authorized and accepted. Thanks for watching, and check out our other BCS University videos to learn more about these concepts. Thanks!